Hello and welcome to Ruchi's Town. In one of my earlier videos, I had posted about Patel Brothers, one of the grocery shop where you could get almost all the Indian groceries and many of the Indian items that you would need for your cooking or usage here in the US. Right from the utensils, vessels, glasses to all your mixies and all those things you get here, and you get even the fresh snacks, fruits, vegetables, the Indian vegetables. In India, the grocery availability and the vegetable availability will also be regional depending upon the state you live in and the type of the food they cook. But here you get all varieties that you get in India. It's a mixture. Usually when you search online, you will land up in this patelbros.com website, which is a local store locator and a brief introduction about Patel Brothers. But then if you want to shop online and buy, you cannot find anything there. So patelbrothersusa.com. This is a website you have to go to actually order something online, and it will get delivered to you at your doorstep. I did not know this for a long time. During this pandemic, it helped me a lot. You could get most of your groceries, snacks, sweets, some of the cosmetic items that you get from India, all these things that they sell there. Most of the popular brands, MTR, Swad and Shan, brands you can get here. The fresh vegetables is what you don't get here. Except for the curry leaves and pan and mango leaves, I have not seen any other fresh items here. You can find atta, rice, sonam masuri, basmati rice, tinned sweets, idli rice, urad dal, millets, some of the packed sweets that you usually find in the Indian shop, those you can get. And you can get a lot of pickles and all your spices you get. And when it comes to delivery, for me it took 22 hours from the time I ordered to when it got delivered. At 2:45 on one of the days I ordered, the next day before 1 o'clock I had the delivery. I live in Rhode Island and this was shipped to me from New York. All these items are shipped from New York only to any of the US locations, and this map gives you the time frame it takes for the delivery of the products. So in case you want to see that, you could refer to this map. It is there in the website also. Yeah, this is not a paid promotion or anything. It really helped me during the pandemic, especially living in a state where we do not have an Indian grocery shop, a big Indian grocery shop, and I have to travel a long distance to get to one. This really helped me to get the essentials. Except for the vegetables, there were other things that it was perfect. This is the order that I placed, and the rate also seemed to be more or less similar to whatever you get in the store. And coming to the shipping, again, it looks like they have a slab. The smaller one costs $7.99 or something, and this was costing me around $14. So more the quantity or the bigger the box that they're going to ship, it might be costing you more. And they actually use the UPS ground service. And yeah, it was as fast as it could be, and I did not expect it to come right the next day. And that was the best part, and that packed it well. And it was intact. For me particularly, the shipping charges did not really matter because I was getting whatever I required on my doorsteps, especially living in a place where I do not have a grocery shop, paying for the fuel and traveling that far to get something. This was the best option that I could get, and I'm happy about it. I hope this video helps you out. If it does, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Ruchi's Town. Thank you.